Hello guys, welcome to Innovation Learning. Today we have learned that how to install NodeMCU board on Arduino IDE. Let's see. Go to this website, scroll down, installing with the board manager. Here, copy this site, copy, go to Arduino IDE and here click on File, Reference and copy over here that website and click on the OK. Then go to Tools, Board Manager and type over here esp8266 and install it over here. I have already installed it and get closed. Then again go to Tools, Board and here scroll down. The ESP board is installed and here we have choose this board NodeMCU 1.0 ESP12E module. Thank you.